everyone. We'll continue with Unit 1, Chapter 3 of Beehive, that is The Little Girl, written by Catherine Mansfield. I've already explained the chapter to you and I hope you all have understood it nicely. Alright, and who is that little girl? Kezia. We had seen in the beginning of the story her relationship with her father was not good, but one day when her mother is in hospital and grandmother is also not there, that time she has a nightmare and it is her father who looks after her, takes care of her, and finally she understands that her father loves her very much and the relationship becomes good. So that was what we saw in this chapter, The Little Girl. We had completed the chapter and today I am going to give you some question answers which you have to do in the copy. So we'll do that. We'll start with it. So take out your copy and pen and be ready. So page 38, thinking about the text. You have this first question here. Given below are some emotions that Kezia felt. Match the emotions in column A with the items in column B. Now in column A they have given 3 emotions and in column B they have given 7 items or 7 incidents. We have to match and see when she had these emotions. So the first one is fear or terror. Now from the 7 incidents given there, fear or terror was when father comes home. From the B column, the third one, father comes home. Second, glad sense of relief, when she feels relief. So from the column B, you'll have the second point, noise of the carriage grows fainter. Noise of the carriage grows fainter. Third one, a funny feeling, perhaps of understanding. From column B, you have the 6th point, father comforts her and falls asleep. So the first one of column A will be matched with third one in column B. Then the second of column A will be matched with the second in column B. And third in column A will be matched with 6th in column B. Now we come to the second part of this. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. And I have told you questions with black pen and answers with blue pen. And after every answer you leave 2 lines, no need of drawing a red line. After every answer leave 2 lines, then write the next question. And when you complete the full work, in the end you put a red line. I hope it's clear to you. So we'll begin the question answers now. So let's start. Question number 1. Why was Kezia afraid of her father? Answer. Kezia was afraid of her father. Kezia was afraid of her father because he was extremely strict and commanding. He was extremely strict and commanding. Full stop. He used to talk to her. He used to talk to her harshly. He used to talk to her harshly. Full stop. Leave 2 lines. Write the next question. Who were the people in Kezia's family? Who were the people in Kezia's family? Write the answer. Kezia's family comprised of her grandmother, mother and father. Full stop. Question number 3. What was Kezia's father's routine? What was Kezia's father's routine? Now there are three parts of this question. You write the first part, then its answer, second part, then its answer, third part, then its answer. So the first part, before going to his office, before going to his office, write the answer. He used to come to Kezia's room. He used to come to Kezia's room and kiss her casually, comma, before going to his office, before going to his office, full stop. Second part, after coming back from his office, after coming back from his office, write the answer. He would ask for the newspaper. He would ask for the newspaper and order his tea to be brought to the drawing room, to be brought to the drawing room, full stop. He would then order Kezia to take off his boots, Third part, on Sundays, write the answer. On Sundays, comma, he would take rest. On Sundays, comma, he would take rest, full stop. He would stretch out on the sofa with his handkerchief on his face, with his handkerchief on his face, comma, his feet on one of the best cushions, his feet on one of the best cushions, comma, sleep and snore, full stop. Question 4. In what ways did Kezia's grandmother encourage her to get to know her father better? Answer. Kezia's grandmother would encourage her to know her father better by asking her to go down to the drawing room and have a nice talk with him, full stop. Besides, comma, she asked her to stitch a pincushion, a pincushion out of a pincushion out of yellow silk, and present it to her father on his birthday, full stop. We'll come to the next part, that is discuss these questions in class with your teacher and then write down your answers in 2 or 3 paragraphs. Question number 1. Kezia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much, full stop. How did this happen? Question mark. Answer. Kezia used to be afraid of her father. Kezia used to be afraid of her father because her father talked to her harshly. Full stop. One day her grandmother told her to make a pincushion to gift him on his birthday. To gift him his father. To gift him on his birthday. Full stop. Kezia took it as an opportunity to please him. Full stop. After that, leave one line and we'll start the next paragraph. She stitched 3 sides. Of the pincushion and looked for the things that could be stuffed into the stitched cushion. Full stop. She was confused at what to fill the cushion with. And her grandmother was also not around. Full stop. Soon she found out many sheets of paper in her parents' room. After S apostrophe. In her parents' room. Full stop. Actually they contained her father's apostrophe S. Her father's speech for the Port Authority. Port P will be capital, authority A will be capital. For the Port Authority. Full stop. she tore them into pieces. She tore them into pieces and stuffed the cushion. And stuffed the cushion. Full stop. Then leave one line, paragraph change. At night, when her father looked for the papers, comma, he did not find them. Full stop. After some time, comma, he came to know that Kezia had torn them into pieces to make a pin cushion. Full stop. He got infuriated, that is very angry. He got infuriated and beat her with a ruler. Full stop. Thus, her efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. Full stop. Leave two lines and then write question number 2. Kezia decides that there are different kinds of fathers. Full stop. Kezia decides that there are different kinds of fathers. Full stop. What kind of father was Mr. MacDonald, and how was he different from Kezia's father? Question mark. Answer. In Kezia's opinion, comma, her father was very harsh, comma, strict and unfriendly. Full stop. In Kezia's opinion, comma, her father was very harsh, comma, strict and unfriendly. Full stop. He did not talk to her affectionately. Full stop. So she avoided him. Full stop. She did not want to be in front of him. Because she was afraid of him. Full stop. Moreover, comma, her father never spent time with her. Moreover, her father never spent time with her. Full stop. Next paragraph. MacDonald family lived next door. MacDonald family lived next door to her house. Lived next door to her house. Full stop. Mr. MacDonald was a loving father. Full stop. He was very gentle and forgiving. He was very gentle and forgiving. Full stop. He used to play and laugh. He used to play and laugh with his children. He was, full stop, then he was friendly with them. Full stop. She found them feel friendly with their father. Full stop. Thus, comma, Mr. MacDonald was different from her father. The next para. Looking at her father and Mr. MacDonald, comma, she decides that there are different kinds of fathers. Question number 3. How does Kezia begin to see her father? As a human being who needs her sympathy. Answer. One night when her mother and grandmother were at the hospital, comma, Kezia had a nightmare which made her too terrified. Full stop. She cried out of fear. Full stop. When she woke up shivering, comma, she found her father beside her bed with a candle in his hand. Full stop. He asked her what the matter was. Full stop. When he came to know about her nightmare, comma, he blew out the candle, comma, bent down and took her in his arms, full stop. He carried her to the big bedroom. He carried her to the big bedroom, full stop. He laid her on the bed. He laid her on the bed and pulled the covers up around her. And pulled the covers up around her, full stop. He also lay beside her. He also lay beside her, full stop. Next paragraph. After some time, comma, still half asleep, comma, she crept close to him, comma, snuggled her head under his arm, and held tightly to his shirt, full stop. Now she felt comfortable, full stop. Her father told her to rub her feet against his legs to warm them. Her father told her to rub her feet against his legs to warm them, full stop. She saw her father go off to sleep before her. She saw her father go off to sleep before her, full stop. She understood that he had to work so hard the whole day, which made him too tired to behave like Mr. McDonald, full stop. Now, comma, Kezia realized that her father was not as harsh as she thought, full stop. She realized that her father wanted her to understand his compulsion, full stop. He was a very good person, full stop. She told her father that he had a big heart. She told her father that he had a big heart. With this, we come to the end of the copy work. You have to do it nicely in your copy. Alright? And if you have not been able to write the answers, you will find a link in the description By clicking on the link, you will get the PDF of these answers. From there also you can copy it down. So we'll stop here for today. Be good and take care.